Welcome to the Gold Plan membership. I am Frano and I am a member of Harmonics app team. In this video I will give you a short introduction of what you can expect inside the Gold Plan. At the start you will see what online courses you have. If we go down, you will see that there is a beginner's trader course where you will learn everything that a beginner needs to know. With cooperation with our partner Gettner Trading, you will have an online course for free for you to get from the start to the end about how to start trading. Inside online course How to Start Trading, you will have information about what is Forex, what do you do on the Forex, what means trading, and then you will learn about the Forex basic terms. For example, what is a Forex broker, what are Forex charts, because you need to prepare the charts, make them clean, so it is very good to make the analysis. If you have cluttered, complete a chart with everything on it, for example lots of indicators, and also the colors are not very good, you will have a little bit big problem by using this trading platform and also making the analysis. But if you make it clean, you will have everything that is needed. You will learn about the Forex basics. What is the pip? What is the spread? What is bid and ask? What is leverage? What is margin? And everything that is needed for a beginner to understand the basics. With the great foundation, you can move forward and learn what are the analysis that you have, which analysis you can use in trading, so you know how to make the analysis of the patterns that you get from the scanner. And then later on, as a final one, you have money and risk management, because you need to know how to protect your account from losses, and also how to be profitable, when to exit from the trade, and also how to make a great risk to reward ratio so you are profitable in the long term. You can have bad trades, but if you have several good trades, you can cover all your losses and be profitable still. Then, as a next lesson, you have a harmonic scanner tutorial. Inside this tutorial you will have all the video lessons that is needed to understand what is Harmonics app scanner, which windows you have, what are the patterns, mature or invalid, also how to use a notification, how to use a telegram to get that notification, how to use notification tab, how to use a monitor tab, and you will see how to pick completed or successful and failed patterns, because you need to also put a great filters so you can pick the best patterns. And also if you want to use some other patterns that you wish to trade, you can also use filters. Then you will have information about how to use a harmonic scanner with price action, how to use a telegram, which gives you a tutorial from the start until the beginning to prepare everything on your smartphone or on your PC. And then you will have information about the scanner generally, what is inside and how to use it. As time passes, you will get more video lessons here inside this page, so you can follow this page and see more details about the scanner. If you have any questions about the scanner, you feel free to ask, and you will get a video lesson or written lesson on your question. Then let's move forward. What do you have more? You have a win rate result page where you will get information about which patterns are the most successful or the most failed. You will get information inside the Excel or Google Sheet, which you can use to pick the best patterns for you. For example, let's see, this is the Excel file that you will get, or also Google Sheet, with information about the patterns and also at which time frame the pattern was successful. So in time you can use this information to filter the best patterns, and also inside the second sheet you will see, for example, information about this pattern. This pattern on a 15-minute time frame with a bad pattern, you can see how it is successful. Most of the time the pattern is moving up, which means it has more successful patterns than failed patterns. So for example, you can simply use this pattern and simply copy and paste entry and exit level, and you will be profitable. Which profitability? This is depending on the risk and money management, which you will learn inside the online course for beginners. So in time, as the time passes, you will see more information how to use this Excel file with this data and how to filter bad against the fail patterns. So if you have any questions regarding this table and also these data, you are feel free to ask. So the next step, what you need to do is, just a minute, you need to go here where the analysis is. When you go to this page, you will have information which patterns were analyzed from the harmonic cap scanner. Inside this analysis, for example, let's take this one, you will have information which is a video lesson where you will see how to use horizontal and trend lines, horizontal support and resistance level, with the trend lines, with the supply and demand zone, and also a price action signal analysis with the candlestick patterns. So everything inside this analysis will be that is covering everything that you need. You will also see in time, how time passes, how the video lessons cover everything about the risk and money management, and also how to pick the best patterns from the win rate Excel file. Then if you have any questions, you can join Facebook group where you have all gold members that are asking and also sharing their analysis. So inside the Facebook group, you can ask any question and you will get information as a video lesson or a written lesson. And also you will get answer from other traders about their experience and also the best practice about using Harmonics app scanner. So you have everything to become a trader, successful trader and profitable trader with the patterns from the Harmonics app scanner. So when you join as a gold member, you can ask entry access to Harmonics app gold members inside the Facebook group. You will get the access and you can start trading and asking questions. So feel free to ask any questions over contact page or inside this Facebook group. I hope I see you inside, because this gold plan, and you as a member inside this gold plan, you will have lots of information which are added month by month and week by week. So you will get more and more informations for you to get and improve your knowledge about trading. So feel free to ask any beginner question or any advanced question. So you will get information from the traders or from the Harmonics app team. I hope I see you inside the gold member. If you have any questions before that, use a contact page to send an email and ask questions. See you inside.